Hi guys, today I'm back with another easy flower DIY. I'll be showing you how to make beautiful crepe paper flowers. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my crepe paper. I got this on Amazon. There are about 6 colors in the pack, including a green if you want to make leaves or stem for your flowers. And I have my scissors and a rubber band. The width of this paper is 10 inches, so I'm going to be doing a 10 by 10 cut, 2 pieces of that and 1 piece of 8 by 10. I'm done cutting my paper, so next I'm going to do a fan fold, same as an accordion fold. Just make sure it's as equal as possible, as this is going to be the petals. Don't worry if it's not perfect, the flower will still look gorgeous once it's fluffed. After doing the fan fold, I'm going to fold it in half, and this is going to give me the layers I need for my petals. I have all 3 pieces of my sheets folded, so now I'm going to be sketching a petal shape on top of my folded crepe paper. Now you can use a template by using a sheet of paper and drawing your flower petal on that paper, then using it as a template, but I'm just going to freehand mine. It's going to give you consistent petals that are the same size if you use the template and give your flower a nice balanced look, but if you don't use a template, it's still going to turn out looking very nice. Because in reality, guys, real flower petals are also different. They are not the same, so do not worry, just make it as equal as possible. So this is how my petal will look, guys. I hope you can see what I sketched on the crepe paper. So now I'm going to cut this out, and I'll be repeating this process for the remaining 2 sheets that I have as well. And just so you know, guys, I am not a crafter. So if I can do it, you can do it. I just really love decor. So I hope this is a little encouragement if you want to try something like this, or you want to try doing some DIYs and save yourself some coins, okay? Save some money in your pocket. Also, guys, if you enjoy my videos and my content and you aren't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. I would greatly appreciate it. So here are my petals, guys. I'm done cutting them out, and as you can see, they are not the same. They are not perfect, but it's going to turn out looking great. So I'm going to unfold the paper to start putting the flower together. So now I'm going to be cutting the little pieces off the ends, but the piece that's in the middle that's attached to the petals, I'll keep that intact, as I'll be using that to attach the other sheets to form the flower. And for this little part that's still attached, I'm going to be doing a little separation here, so I'm just going to be cutting it open with my scissors. Next, I'm going to be adding a little bit of glue across the middle like this, and then I'm going to be adding the next layer on top like this, making sure that it's secured. Okay guys, so I'm adding the 3rd layer, and I did cut one of the petals, as you can see in the top right hand corner there, because I needed 5 petals to be in the middle instead of 6, but I thought I was recording and it wasn't, so I can only explain it now. But anyway, I'm doing a quick fan fold, and then I'm going to use my rubber band to hold it at the center. It's going to keep all the layers together while still allowing us to spread the petals into a beautiful bloom. Okay guys, now it's time to separate our layers and fluff our flower. I'm going to be lifting each layer towards the center, and as I lift more layers, you will see the flower starting to bloom. While lifting the layers, guys, place 2 thumbs in the middle and pull against the natural grain of the crepe paper, and that's also going to open up the petals a bit more and give it a nice cup shape. I'm going to be cutting about 1.5 inches of the white to make the center of the flower. So I think it's called the stamen. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I did science like years ago, so please don't judge me, okay? Okay, I'm going to be folding my white strip in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. Then I'm going to cut some strips on the long side. I'm not going to cut all the way through. I'll be leaving it attached at the bottom. So I'm unfolding this, guys, and this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to be using my fingers to twist each strip separately. So this is the final look, guys. I'm now going to be rolling my strip like this, and I'll be adding some glue to hold it together. Alrighty, so now I'm done rolling this, and you can see it actually does look like the inner part of a flower, but I'm going to use my orange marker and just add some color to the tips to give it more of a realistic look. Next, I'll be adding some glue, and I'm going to attach it to the middle of the flower. How beautiful is this flower looking, guys? I wanted to give the petals a little curl at the tips, so I'm using a flower stem that I had laying around to just give a little curl to the end of the petals. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I'm absolutely loving these. They are beautiful. These are easy to make, and the best part is you can make them in any color to match your decor or theme. I added some double-sided tape so you can see how it looks on the walls. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments. And thank you so much for watching as usual. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.